Kukholakala ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi lo mhlambi wezingwenya weqe wayongena emfuleni iBriede oseduze naleli ipulazi. Ubude bazo phakathi kwamameters angu-1.2 no-1.5. Intuba yokuphuma zithole embotsheni evuleke efensini okubiyelwe ngawo lapho zigcinwe khona.
They can still be classified as sub-adult animals, so from that perspective there is a limited risk towards people in the area.
Izakhamuzi, Sezilala obenyoni.
I feel unsafe with my children, with other people, family here in that place. It's very dangerous.
Sezixoshelwe ugibe onqenqemeni lomfula ukuze sibanjwe lezi ingwenya esezihlalisa libhojoza umphakathi.
The strategy we followed so far is to deploy baited trap cages. The crocodiles that escaped, they've been fed at the facility with chickens, which we are using now as bait, which they used to. So as you can see, the traps are partially submerged in the water. The idea is to dissipate the smell of the bait as it moves downstream, and hopefully we'll manage to eventually attract them into the trap cages.
Umnikazi wepulazi ofuye lezi ingwenya wale waphetha ukukhuluma nezindaba ze-SABC wanqaba nokuthi sithwebule ithombe endaweni yakhe.